Now, children, let's start with Unit 5, that is World Around Us. Chapter number 50, World Famous Author. So, let's read and enjoy about them. First is your Beatrix Potter. He's writer, illustrator. इनको हम The Tale of Peter Rabbit के लिए भी जानते हैं. Dr. Swift wrote 44 children book. जिसमें Cat in Hand, Green Egg and Ham, Fox in Socks and How the Grinch Stole Christmas, ये सब है. Roald Dahl, which is used to for dream of inventing new chocolate bar, and he inspired to write a storybook that is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Mark Twain, novel seek adventure of Huckleberry Finn, the adventure of Tom Sawyer, right? Then we have Hans Christian Andersen, wanted to be a singer, dancer, or an actor and become a author. His famous fairy tales is Ugly Duckling, right, on Little Mermaid. Anne Blyton is pretty Nordic. She also wrote adventure series including Famous 5 and The Secret 7. J.K. Rowling, creator of the Harry Potter. J.K. Rowling क्या है? He's a creator of Harry Potter fantasy. She got an idea of writing these stories while traveling on a train. Then we have Carolyn Canny. He wrote Nancy Drew and adventure stories. Then we have Lewis Carroll. He wrote a poetry and short stories. जिनके author थे वो थे Alice in the Wonderland, which everyone loves even through it. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, official home. So, an official home is the residence of head of the state. Some of these are magnificent place. Let's study about this place. Rashtrapati Bhavan. What we have to do, we have to match it. First one is Rashtrapati Bhavan, President of India. Provincial places, that is Pop. Downing Street, Prime Minister of UK. Buckingham Palace, that is British monarch. Lambeth Palace. Imperial, President of Italy. Quirinal Palace, Blue House. Prime Minister of Australia. President of South Korea. Emperor of Japan. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 52, Development of Civilization. So early man lived on trees and in cave. He went up from one place to another in search of food. Later he started settling down in small groups and first colonies were developed. Water was necessary for daily activities and the first colonies were built on the river bank. Excavation has been revealed that four civilizations flourished in the world along the bank of river. We have Mesopotamian civilization developed along the banks of river Euphrates and Tigris. These wrote the first colonies of the world. They were built by Sumerians. Then we have Egyptian civilization. The flooding of river Nile deposits a layer of rich fertile silt along its bank in Egypt. Remains of ancient civilization was found in the excavation. Next is Indus Valley civilization. ये आपका bank of river Indus पे का famous था for the town plan. Ruins discovered within the excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. What it shows that houses were built up in rows. Now, Yellow River Valley civilization. It was built around the three large rivers of China, Yellow River. West River and Yangtze. China is surrounded by oceans and mountains and Gobi Desert. The country was difficult to enter by invaders, which reveals that people learned the art of protecting them. लोगों ने क्या सीखी? आर्ट सीखी किसकी? For protected. Now let's start with chapter number 53, World Organization. So on July 23, the World Trade Organization has 164 members nation and 24 observer group. Right? World Organization are formed for common cause and cooperation among the members country. We have Red Cross, which is an international agency for treatment of injured and war prisoner. Right? 1863 में हुआ था इसका headquarters है जिनेवा में. ILO इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इकोनॉमिक और सोशल सिक्योरिटी देता है लेबर को 1919 में जिनेवा स्विट्जरलैंड. कॉमनवेल्थ इकोनॉमिक टेक्निकल एजुकेशन एंड कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट होता है 1931 में लंदन यूके. यूनाइटेड नेशन दैट इज UNO टू मेंटेन इंटरनेशनल पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी 1945 में न्यूयॉर्क USA. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर प्रोमोटिंग गुड हेल्थ 1948 जिनेवा. नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मिलिट्री हेल्प टू द मेंबर कंट्री ब्रुसेल्स बेल्जियम. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Country, that is OPEC, for benefit of petroleum. Right? South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, poverty, illiteracy, malnutrition, epidemic को हटाने के लिए. ठीक है, 1985 में काठमांडू, नेपाल. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is professionals, chapter number 54. So every professional does some work, right? First is a person who study animals life, that is veterinarian doctor. Who study plant life is botanist. Who study for weather forecasting, that is meteorologist. जो eyesight test करता है optician. Cures skin animals. Who treats and cures? First is the one who studies animal life is zoologist. Plant life botanologist, weather को meteorologist, spectacles optic, animals life veterinarian. जो स्टडी करता है स्टार्स और प्लैनेट को एस्ट्रोनॉमर, ऑपरेशन करता है सर्जर, एंड हु टीचेस यू? टीचर्स. टीचर्स क्या करते हैं? हमें टीच करते हैं. राइट, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, चैप्टर नंबर 55. Geographical sobriquets. Now, sobriquets are the nickname of the place. First is Blue Mountain, Mizoram, India. City of Stepper, New York. The country of thousand lakes, Finland. The gift of Nile, Egypt. Country of midnight sun, seven mountains, Nome. City of seven islands, Mumbai. Roof of the world, Tibetan plateau. Sick one of Europe, Turkey. Land of rising sun. Setting sun is Norway. स्पाइस गार्डन आपको केरला में मिलेगा. राइजिंग सन कहाँ है आपका? जापान. राइट, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, चैप्टर नंबर 56, नेशनल फ्लैग. So in this chapter, let's study about some national flag here. The national flag of different countries given to you. Canada, China, UK, Spain. This is South Africa. Germany. This is of Italy. Brazil. Last one is South Korea. Now, let's start with chapter number 57, that is tourist places. So, match the following tourist places with the respective countries. First is Leaning Tower, Italy, Great Wall of China. Then we have Opera House, Australia. Opera House का हमारा ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है. Big Ben, UK, Great Egypt, Statue of Liberty, India, Statue of Unity, Eiffel Tower. Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 58, are books. So, let's read. First is textbook. It is a course book you study in the school. Encyclopedia. It's a treasure house for information and arranged in alphabetic order. Storybook can contain one long story for many short stories. One storybook is a fun to read. Atlas, it is a collection of maps with relevant information. Then we have magazine. It is a thin book that contains information on variety of topics. Newspaper, it is a leaf of paper जो क्या provide करता है? Latest news about our country and the world. Next, we have telephone directory that provides with telephone number and address of the people. ये आपको एक alphabetical order में with their surname आपको करता है, number provide करता है, right? Now let's move to the next, that is word puzzle. Chapter number 59. Complete the word with the help of you. One is done for you. City of Taj Mahal is Agra. Capital of city UP, that is Lucknow. Fourth is capital of India, New Delhi. Fifth one is capital of Maharashtra, that is Mumbai. Sixth one is state where battlefield of Maharashtra is situated. Seventh is the biggest, the hardest substance is diamond. Eighth is अरुणाचल प्रदेश की कैपिटल सिटी क्या है आपकी? ईटानगर. The queen of hills, that is Mussoorie. Umbrella-like apparatus to get down safely from an aircraft. Umbrella-like apparatus to get down safely from aircraft is parachute. Right? Now our unit 5 is also completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we'll meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.